everybody, this is Sheila Schenkel, Serenity Life Coaches. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use EFT for test anxiety. So if you are one of those people who knows you've studied and you know your stuff and for some reason you're not showing that on a test, you may have test anxiety. First thing you want to do is close your eyes and think about how you would feel going in. Picture yourself going in, sitting down, getting ready to take a test. It's being ready to be administered to you, and assess how you feel about actually sitting down and taking a test, any test. And then on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being no problem, 10 being this is a big deal to me, assess where you're at on that continuum. And you'll get a number, maybe 5, 7, 9, it could be any number. And then you're going to start by hitting the fat side of your hands together, like karate chopping your hands together. And you're going to say, even though I have this anxiety, or even though I have this feeling, whatever discomfort or fear, whatever your feeling is, even though I have this, and you say what it is, I accept myself. Even though I have this, whatever it is, I accept myself. And if you want to make it even more powerful, you can say, even though I have this anxiety or whatever the emotion is, I love and accept myself, or I love and accept myself unconditionally. And say that 3 times. And then you can say, even though I have this anxiety, and I have this anxiety. And right here you're going to be tapping right on the eyebrow points. And I use 3 fingers to just kind of cover that entire bridge right there. And then right on the corner of the eyes, you're going to tap here. And I use 3 fingers just to kind of cover the whole area. And I do both sides. You don't have to, but I do, just why not? And right on the bone, right here, you're going to tap there, even though I have this anxiety. Right under the nose, here, you're going to tap even though I have this anxiety. And where this indentation is on your chin, even though I have this anxiety. Next you're going to tap. You're going to find this indentation on your throat, and there's 2 knots on either side of it. You can feel those kind of bumps. That's kidney 27. You're going to tap those even though I have this anxiety. And then underneath your arm, right about here on both sides, I take my thumbs in and I go, even though I have this anxiety. And I do that on both sides. And then you can start at the top again, even though I have this anxiety, even though I have this anxiety, even though I have this anxiety, even though I have this anxiety. And you can change the words on each point depending on what feeling comes to you, what thought comes to you. You can say, even though I don't like taking Miss Smith's test, even though the last time I took a test I did poorly, even though I want to do better and I'm not willing to get a poor grade. You can say whatever comes to you and just keep tapping, just keep tapping, just keep tapping, keep going through that. And if you don't notice a change after 2 or 3 rounds with that, then you might want to do the gamut spot, which is between these 2 bones here. There's a space, and you want to kind of get in there, and I tap that. In order to do it well, I usually use my knee, like so, and I put my hand on my knee. That way it gives me something solid underneath to hold my hand still, so I can tap really nice on that spot. And then while you're tapping there, you're going to close your eyes. Then open your eyes and look down one direction, look down the other direction, and then make your eyes go in a big circle while you're still tapping. Go in the other direction while you're still tapping, and think about that anxiety. And then hum, count, hum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go back and hit each spot again. This anxiety, this anxiety, this anxiety, this anxiety. This should take your anxiety down. Just keep going through it. If you have a lot of it, you've had it for a long time, and you have typically have anxiety issues, there's a chance you're going to have to tap quite a bit, kind of go through that, but it should help. Good luck with all your test anxiety, and until next time, tap, tap, tap.